Hey guys, here's a quick tutorial how to get rid of annoying pop-up windows on your Android. So let's get started. So firstly open the Settings app and then scroll down to the Notifications tab. Open it and here scroll down to the Do Not Disturb and enable this option. And also come back and go to the Advanced Settings and here find floating notifications. And here you can turn it off. And if the issue was caused by ads from an unknown app, then go back to the main page of the settings and find the display bar, go into it and then enable dark mode. And then return to the main settings, go into the search bar and type in apps. And with the dark mode enable, look for an app with a white icon and no name, and select this app and tap on install. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.